If you're tired of feeling like you're always the one making all the effort, fighting for attention, and not getting anything in return, then today's video is an absolute game changer for you. And in this video, I'm going to reveal the 7 powerful steps that experts swear by to not only grab someone's attention, but make them chase after you. But before we get into it, if you're excited about leveling up your relationship game, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our insightful content. Step number 1, break the chase. The first step might sound counterintuitive, but it's essential. To make someone chase you, you need to stop chasing them. When you constantly pursue someone's attention, it can come across as needy or desperate. Instead, focus on your own life, interests, and passions. By doing so, you'll not only regain your independence, but also make them curious about your newfound aura of confidence. Step number 2, own your happiness. Before expecting someone else to invest in you, take the time to understand and manage your own emotions. Be mindful of how you react to situations and work on cultivating emotional stability. People are naturally drawn to those who are emotionally mature and can handle challenges with grace. Step number 3, show interest, not desperation. While you're taking a step back, it's crucial to show genuine interest in the other person. Engage in meaningful conversations, ask about their life, and actively listen to what they're saying. This demonstrates that you value their thoughts and opinions, making them more likely to seek out your company. Step number 4, elevate yourself. Invest time in personal growth and self-improvement. Whether it's honing your skills, adopting a healthier lifestyle, or working on your confidence, becoming the best version of yourself is incredibly attractive. When you radiate positivity and self-assuredness, others can't help but be drawn to your energy. Step number 5, embrace patience. Building a genuine connection takes time. Don't rush the process. Instead, be patient. Allow the relationship to evolve naturally without pushing your agenda. This patience shows that you're interested in something deeper than superficial attention, and it allows both of you to build a stronger foundation. Step number 6, spark healthy competition. Humans are wired to desire things that are in demand. Showcase your social life and positive interactions with friends, family, and other potential interests. This doesn't mean making them jealous, but rather highlighting that you're a valuable and sought-after individual. Step number 7, be ready to walk away. Remember that your self-worth is non-negotiable. Be willing to walk away if the other person isn't reciprocating your efforts or showing genuine interest. This doesn't mean playing games. It means respecting yourself enough to invest your time and energy where it's truly appreciated. These are the 7 steps that will turn the tables and have them chasing after you. If you found these tips as mind-blowing as I did, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who need to up their relationship game. Also, let me know in the comments which step resonated the most with you. If you want more amazing content like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. And don't forget to check out the recommended videos on your screen right now. They're handpicked to keep you on your journey to becoming the best version of yourself. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, you're awesome and deserve all the love and attention in the world. Thanks for watching.